In today's video, I will show you how to use your Windows operating system as a Wi-Fi hotspot. This will also create a new Wi-Fi network, ideal for guest or personal use. Before you begin, you want to make sure that your computer is connected to your router via Ethernet. Having your computer connected by Wi-Fi will work, but having an Ethernet connection will yield better results, as Ethernet is faster than Wi-Fi. Before we begin, make sure that your computer is in a location with slow Wi-Fi. Also, if you're going to be using Wi-Fi in that said location all day, make sure that the power source is constantly plugged in. If you want to improve Wi-Fi coverage without using your computer, you can use a traditional Wi-Fi booster. Although, these boosters may sometimes interfere with other boosters in your area. We will begin by taking a look at some download and upload speeds before the hotspot. As you can see, the connection is very weak, only producing 1 to 2 bars. The download speed averaged at 0.48 megabytes per second, and the upload speed averaged at 0.08 megabytes per second.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Once the hotspot has been created, I attempted to connect to it. I was presented with a message stating there was no internet access. In step 2, I will show you how to get internet access on your newly created Wi-Fi hotspot.
Finding real love, gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I want to. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive.